Hey educators, teachers and parents. Do you ever wish you could make learning as fun as going on an adventure?
I do, and I love adventures.
Well, with Sofia the Adventurer, every lesson is an adventure. Whether we're exploring ancient pyramids, solving tricky math puzzles, or diving into science experiments, Sofia makes learning exciting, engaging and fun.
Yeah, like the time we built a volcano. Boom! Best day ever.
Exactly, Aldo. We turn every subject, science, history, math, into a unique educational journey that sparks curiosity and keeps kids learning without them even realizing it.
And guess what? You don't need a magic wand to join us. Just a click.
So guys, if you're ready to transform everyday lessons into unforgettable adventures, Sofia the Adventurer has you covered. Thousands of educators are already on board, using Sofia's videos to bring the magic back into learning.
They love it, and so do the kids, like me.
So why wait? Subscribe to Sofia the Adventurer today, and let's make learning the best part of the day.
Because learning with us is awesome.